Let's start with upper legs. Upper legs comprises of thighs and hamstrings. The front portion of the thigh muscle is also called the quadriceps. Quad means four, and therefore it's a combination of four different muscles. They are rectus femoris, vastus lataris, vastus medius, and vastus intermedius. The function of quadriceps is to extend and flex your hip and knee joint. The inner portion of thigh muscle is a combination of five muscles. These five muscles on the inside of the thigh are quite large and considered to be important adductors. They are adductor brevis, adductor longus, adductor magnus, pectineus, and gracilis. Adductors are any muscle which help to draw a body part towards the median of the body. They adduct your thigh and hip. And finally, the back portion of your thigh muscle is called hamstring. The biceps femoris, semitendinosus, and semimembranosus form the hamstring complex and assist the quadriceps to extend and flex the hip and knee joint. The main exercises related to upper leg are squats and all variations of squats, deadlifts and all variations of deadlifts, leg press, lunge, forward and back, leg extension, and leg curls.